Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and back to my third class, which is about how to get the perfect eyebrows and how to blend the eyeshadow. So guys, मैंने सोचा था कि मैं आईब्रो की अलग एंड आई शेडो की अलग बनाऊंगी, बट वो वीडियोस बहुत छोटी बन रही थी, सो आई जॉइंड अप दैट बोथ वीडियोस. सो इन दिस वीडियो मैं आपको आईब्रोज एंड आई शेडो दोनों का ट्यूटोरियल दिखाने वाली हूँ. So guys, don't wasting much time, let's start this video, and guys, if you are interested, keep watching it. So starting with my eyebrows, and I'm using this my eyebrow pencil. So I'm starting from the inner part. So I'm creating the outline of the eyebrows only and just filling up the space in between my brows. That's what we have to do. There's nothing much rocket science in doing brows. It's a very simple steps. What you have to do is, where you feel there's a space, just fill that area only and create this arc at this point, like going straight from here and creating a point here and just coming down. So you can see the area has been filled up completely. Now I'm coming to the inner part. Like, this is very much lighter. What I'm doing is I'm just creating some shadow, just not completely filling up my space. Yeah. And after that I'm using this spoolie and blending it. Doing the same on my second brow. Going straight, creating a point and coming down. There is nothing much difficult in this. Now filling up the space in between. Now using my spoolie, blending it completely. Ooh, you can see guys, my eyebrows are looking so beautiful, and you can conceal it a little bit if you are get messier with doing brows. I'm using the concealer. Don't take much quantity of concealer as you had already done your base, so applying concealer will damage your base also. मैंने concealing complete कर ली है. Now I'm moving towards the eyeshadow part. So guys, I'm using this Huda Beauty palette and taking this color. As you can see, this is the lighter color. So starting your eyeshadow from lighter colors is the best idea, because अगर एक ही बार में आप dark color ले लोगे तो of course उसे blend करना difficult हो जाता है, and अगर आप light color लेते हो पहले, so that is good, because अगर आप light ले भी लेते हो, if you feel that इससे ज़्यादा और लेना है तो आप build up कर सकते हो, but exactly going towards the higher point will ruin your eyeshadow. So I'm taking this color to provide the transition effect. So this is my brow bone, this is my eyelid, and this, the hollow part, is my socket area. Oh sorry, that's my crease area. So I'm doing the transition color on my crease area only. Okay, so next I'm using the brown color. You have to blend the eyeshadow till your hands fall off. Kidding. Till you get tired, because blending is the key. So you can see I'm giving more focus to my socket area only, like my outer corner, because it will provide depth and provides a very beautiful finish to your eyeshadow. Now for inner corner, I'm taking this brush, applicator brush, which is a very precise brush. For inner corner you should use this brush only, because it gives a very good finish to your eyeshadow. So now I'm taking this color. This is a shimmery white color. I'm applying this here. Because कुछ लोगों को बिल्कुल complete eyelids को cover करना अच्छा लगता है, and some like to do half. Now I'm taking the same blending brush to blend this line here. It's a 2-color eyeshadow. So yeah, you can see how beautiful my eyes are looking. Now I'm completing my second eye. Okay, my second eye is also completed. Now for highlighting my brow bone area, I'm taking this and blending it on my brow bone. Now the next step is of course mascara. I'm putting the mascara on because I'm not doing like putting on some lashes, some heavy makeup. I'm doing a very light makeup just to give some tutorials to you guys. So I'm putting the mascara on only and not applying lashes. Okay, if you think that आपके lashes अच्छे से enhance नहीं हुई है and there is something less in your eyes, you can put on the second layer of mascara so that आपकी lashes थोड़ी fuller and थोड़ी heavy नज़र आती हैं. ठीक है? Now for under eye smudging, I'm taking this a very precise blending brush, which is usually used for blending your eyeshadow on your lower lash. So I'm taking the same color which I have used for my crease line. Can you see the difference between two eyes? Like this is something incomplete and this is what you need to do every day. Now to enhance my inner corner, I am taking this highlighter and blending it in the inner corner to give a perfect finish. Yeah, so my eyes are completely done. My eyebrows are completely done. I hope you guys get to know how to do the perfect brows and perfect eyeshadow, and you should definitely keep it in mind that doing eyebrows, your blending should be perfect all the time, as blending is the key for doing the makeup. So guys, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you guys don't miss my fourth and my last class, which is about how to get the fuller lips. So guys, till then, take care and bye bye. I love you.